Hey there folks, Grant Schubert down here at Donnelly Ford Lincoln, back at it again with another video. And today we're doing a before and after video on this beautiful 2019 F-150. Enjoy! That's right folks, this 2019 Ford F-150 is getting the Donnelly Ford custom treatment. Now, my customer's neighbor actually purchased a custom truck off of us, and my customer loved it so much that he decided he had to get one for himself. We're starting off with this beautiful XLT F-150 with the 302A package and the Sport package. You got the 20-inch wheels already on there, so that's really nice. Customer's going to go ahead and get to keep those as well because this is going to be a Level II package. So our Level II packages, you're going to bring up that front end with a 2-inch leveling kit. You're going to get your custom rims and tires. We're going to get the windows tinted, which you can see we've already done on this vehicle. You're going to get the dual exhaust, and then you're going to get the decals at the back. Now, my customer has gone ahead and made this a little bit more custom, which we'll get into as we go through the video here. You can see he's also added the Line-X, and as I said, so he's chosen some different rims, and then there's one other piece that's definitely going to make this truck stand out from all the rest of the F-150s on the road. Again, as I said, it is the 302A, so you do get the full power seats, the heated seats, the touch screen there, so it's definitely going to be a very well loaded truck. And then once Donnelly Ford Custom is done with it, this thing is going to be unrecognizable. So again, stay tuned and definitely let me know if there's anything you would have done differently to this truck in the comments below. So there we have it, folks, and as promised, this truck is looking totally different from the beginning of this video. As mentioned, there is that beautiful mesh grille which my customer decided to go with, which is an additional add-on to the typical Level 2 that we do. I think that came out really, really well. He also went with the Fuel Tactic rims. As I said, he chose the different rims, and he wanted that all black look. So again, different from the Vectors where it doesn't have the gray lipper on the outside. But again, these came out very, very well as well. I think it ties in really well with the rest of the body. On the inside, the leather is looking beautiful. We've got that red stitching, again, to complement the rest of the truck. You'll see it looks really sharp. Obviously, as mentioned, we tinted the windows. We went ahead and added the tonneau cover, the Level 2 decal, and then we added the dual exhaust with the twin pipes out the back. So let's give a quick listen to that. Definitely gives you a nice sound, again, without being too loud and aggressive. So again, we got a couple more things here. We're going to show the customer's reaction and then show this truck leaving the lot for the last time. So again, let me know if there's anything you would have done differently in the comments. But to me, this thing came out beautifully. So there we have it, folks. The customer is taking his truck home. He absolutely loved it, and it came out absolutely beautiful. If that's something you're interested in, definitely send me an email and we can set you up with any information you're looking for. Again, folks, Grant Schubert down here at Donnelly Ford Lincoln. I look forward to hearing back from you. Bye for now.